Hello students, today again we are here with Social Studies of class 4. As we already completed chapter 7 landforms, today we have to discuss questions answer. I hope my dear students that you all have read this chapter by your own once again. And I hope you have written this web chart in your copy also. So today we have to start with fill in the blanks. So question number 1, a chain of mountains is called mountain range. A plateau is called a tableland because of its flat top. Ooty is a popular hill station in India. Antarctica is a cold desert. The hills of sand in a hot desert are called sand dunes. Now come to the next, true false. Man-made features on the earth are called physical features. No. A plain is naturally raised area. No. Hills are the most thickly populated areas. No. No. The side of a mountain is called a slope. Yes. Most of the rivers in the world start from snow-covered mountains. Yes. Now come to match the following. Plateau. Match plateau with tableland. Baobab tree, match it with bottle tree. Camel, match it with sheep of the desert. Sahara desert, match it with largest hot desert. V-shaped valley, glaciers. Now come to question D. Answer the following questions. What is a landform? A landform is any spatial physical feature on the surface of the earth. Question number 2. What are the main features of a mountain? A mountain is a landform that rises high above the surrounding land. Mountains are made from rocky land and are higher, steeper than hills. Mountains is the highest landform on the earth. Mountains are higher than 600 meters. Now question number 3. What is the difference between a U-shaped valley and a V-shaped valley? The difference between U-shaped valley and V-shaped valley is U-shaped valleys are carved by glacier, whereas V-shaped valley has been typically eroded by running water. How is a hot desert different from cold desert? A hot desert is covered with sand, whereas a cold desert is completely covered with thick layers of ice for the whole year. Why is a plateau called a tableland? A plateau called a tableland because of its flat top. So my dear students, your today's homework is that you have to write down all these questions in your notebook along with the question answer. Thank you. Have a good day.